It's fall, y'all, and Richmond is home to 2 great pumpkin patches that's fun for the entire family. The Baldwin Farms Pumpkin Festival is a local tradition in Madison County. Visitors come from many counties to choose the perfect pumpkin and their fall displays, all while spending time with their families. Children like to visit with the pets and play in the hay maze, on the Baldwin Dirt Hill, Cal's Adventure Maze, and many other activities. On weekends, there will be pony rides. They're open every day from 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and admission is free. The Rolling Acres Pumpkin Patch open Wednesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Sunday from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Come experience their petting zoo, craft shop, corn maze, barrel trains, and hay rides. Admission is $8 a person. Kids 3 and under are free. Admission includes all activities. No admission fee for people who just want to stop in and shop.